Hey guys, Anurudhya, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all good and taking care of yourselves. So guys, in today's video, we're going to be delving deep into one of the more crucial aspects of marketing on Facebook and Instagram and digital marketing as a whole, which is demographics, and how you can use demographics to boost your A/B testing efforts and how it plays a very crucial and important role when it comes to marketing online in general. But before diving deep, let's first understand what demographics are and how you can leverage them while marketing online and for effective A/B testing as well. Let's find that out first. So demographics are the parameters or the characteristics which define your audience, such as age, gender, location, income, and interests. Knowing the demographics of your audience can be a game changer, not just for A/B testing, but for digital marketing as a whole when you're marketing online on any platform. So here's a real life example for you from one of our own clients to illustrate better to you the importance of what demographics are and how important they can be when you're marketing online. So this client, before he came back to us, he was just a beginner who had just started selling clothes online, and he didn't know a single thing about what marketing on Facebook is like, and he didn't know anything about demographics or specific targeting or like broad targeting, and somebody told him that he should just connect Shopify with Facebook and start marketing online. So that's what he did. He was selling oversized t-shirts, and what he did was basically he started marketing online. That is, he started a broad targeting ad campaign, and what happened was, as we all know, he wasn't getting good results, whereas his competitors on the same product, that is oversized t-shirt, were getting very good results, as we could see from their ads and the amount of ads they were running using Facebook ad library. So we could definitely see that they were getting good results, but he wasn't getting good results. Alright, so first when he came to us, he had lost faith in Facebook because he thought that since he was doing everything right, he wasn't getting the right results which he actually deserved, as he thought. But what ended up happening is that after analyzing his ad campaign, we found that it was a broad targeting ad campaign. And when it comes to specific products such as oversized t-shirts, which has a niche market, specifically from 18 to 34, he had to serve his audience which belonged in that age group. But what he was doing was his ads were being shown to everybody all across the board, anywhere from 18 to 65. Alright, so obviously he wasn't going to get results, since a lot of his ad budget was being spent on showing the ads to people who weren't actually initially interested in his product and who weren't even going to buy even after seeing the ad. So once we figured that out, we actually targeted the audience to the right age sector and targeted the ads to people with the right interests. And as soon as we did that, the campaign started showing results. Now this clearly illustrates the importance of understanding demographics, as well as it brings us to our first golden nugget for this video, which is that whenever you are doing business, be it online or be it in physical world, you should never try to find a one size fits all approach for your business or your product or your service. Because if you're doing a business, you aren't going to find a single product or a single service which will successfully cater to each and every one of your customers in your target audience, because business is just not like that. People have different interests, different inclinations, and you can't target all of them or satisfy all of them with a single product or service. That is why you should always try to segment your audience and cater to them the ads or the content which they resonate with. Because once you find that content which your audience or your target audience is resonating with, they will convert easier and faster, and thus your revenue will grow even more and your ROAS will increase, thus increasing your net profits as well. So you should always try to segment your audience and find the right fit for your audience segments which caters to their personal needs and resonates with them, and thus it will increase your revenue and profits.